Hey everyone, today I will show you how to download threads from Instagram. And here's how it is done. If you are on an iOS device, open the App Store. For Android users, launch Google Play. In the search bar, type threads and hit enter. Look for the app threads for Instagram among the search results. Tap the Get or Install button next to the app. Confirm the installation process if prompted. Example, using Face ID, Touch ID, or your account password. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Your Instagram username will automatically populate in the app. Tap on your username to proceed. You can edit your display name, add a bio, insert links, optional. Feel free to skip adding links if you prefer. Choose whether you want your Threads profile to be public or private. For this example, select Public. Tap Next to complete the setup. Your Threads profile is now linked with your Instagram account and followers. And that's everything you need to know about how to download Threads from Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.